with the coronavirus still at our shores and Cyclone Harold's recent devastation. The need for solidarity with our healthcare heroes, utility workers and disciplined forces has never been greater. So this long weekend, let us honor the sacrifices they bravely make every day.
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow.
Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for I know that it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on.
Please swallow your pride. If I have things you need to borrow,
But no one can feel all of your needs if you wanna let them show.
you just call on me, brother. If you feel you need a hand, 'cause we all need somebody to lean on.
I just might have a problem. You'll understand.
We all need somebody to lean on. Lean on me when you're not strong.
And I'll be your friend.